Okay, so today we have an Oreck XL vacuum. I want to show you guys the #1 problem on this that I've seen. Let's get started. Apparently this vacuum is not starting at all, and what I've found most is these get dropped and you can see a little bit of wear right here, which means this fell, it hit the ground, and then the switch got disconnected on the inside. Let's take off these 6 screws and we'll check it out. Let's actually flip it the other way. Alright, there you go. These seem to come off really easy. What we're gonna do is not just put them back, but let's actually take these out. And I want to grab a pair of pliers and I want to squeeze these down. So when I put it back, obviously it's going to be a little harder to put back, but see, that's a good fit right there. We'll do the same with this one, just a little bit, and we'll put it back. Yeah, that's a good fit. So now we'll just put everything back together. Once we got it all lined up, let's go ahead and tighten everything. Once we got it all, let's go ahead. Alright, I know it was a short video, but if it helped you out, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.